Hello and welcome to the Brainfield YouTube channel, where we bring you informative and entertaining insights about human existence and behaviors. Today, we will be highlighting some psychological facts about the human body and human behavior. The human body holds so many secrets that need scientific observation to find out. Just before we get into that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up because you will enjoy every minute of it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Let us get right into it without wasting any more time. Here are some of the things you may not have known about your body. The human brain can only remember 4 things at a time. The human nose can detect about 1 trillion smells. The skin is the body's largest organ and can comprise 15% of a person's total weight. Human hairs grow as fast as about 6 inches per year. The only thing in the body that grows faster is bone marrow. The heart beats more than 3 billion times in the average human lifespan. Fingernails grow faster than toenails. Babies do not shed tears unless they are at least a month old. Men have approximately 50% more muscle mass than women. Your thigh bone can resist thousands of pounds of force. Babies are born with about 300 bones. When you get tattoos, they don't live on the skin and they go straight to your immune system. The human body sheds over 30,000 dead skin cells every minute. The human attention span is shorter than a goldfish. The average weight of the adult human brain is 3 pounds. When a person dies, they have 7 minutes of brain activity left, and the mind plays back the person's memories in a dreamlike sequence. Humans are the only living species with chins. The human fingernails do not actually grow after the individual is dead. All of the blood vessels in the human body would encircle the Earth 4 times if set end to end. The brain stores memories for both short-term and long-term use simultaneously. Blood makes up about 8% of the total body weight of an average human. Humans have 2 kidneys, but we only need 1 to live. The human brain uses 20% of the body's total oxygen and energy. The human brain is 73% water. If an average human goes 5 minutes without oxygen, they could suffer brain damage. The human brain has an average of 50,000 to 70,000 thoughts a day. The foot is one of the most ticklish parts of the body. The quickest muscles in the body are the extraocular muscles in the eye. They allow you to move both of your eyes in the same direction in a 50-millisecond motion. The cognitive speed of the human brain starts slowing down when we are about 24 years old. Although pain is processed in the brain, the organ itself cannot feel pain. Gas bubbles exploding in your joints produce the delightful sound of cracking your knuckles. Human thumbs have their own pulse. All humans are generally identical to a degree greater than 99%. The human tongue is similar to the trunk of an elephant or the tentacle of an octopus in that it is made up of 8 intertwined muscles. The epidermis, or the top layer of skin, comprises cells that are continually replacing themselves. The few drops of saliva you make daily can add up to 20,000 liters, which is sufficient to fill up 500 bathtubs or 2 full swimming pools. The human eye blinks about 20 times a minute, making up 10 million times a year. It would take about 2 million mosquito bites to kill a human due to blood loss. When the stomach growls, it is full of hot air. Teeth, unlike any other part of your body, are incapable of self-repair. Psychological facts about human behavior. Speaking in a foreign language changes the decisions of an average human. People at the same level of attractiveness are more likely to end up together. The human mind has the ability to convince the whole body that an individual slept well at night in order to improve the cognitive performance of that person, even though they did not sleep well. It is easy to make decisions when you flip a coin. When the coin goes up in the air, you realize what you want. The human mind remembers the beginnings and ends of things more easily than the middle. We need 5 positive things to outweigh a single negative thing. An average human automatically second-guesses themselves when other people disagree with their opinions. Power makes people care less about others. The human brain categorizes long-term deadlines as not so important. Air pollution hurts not only our lungs, but our brains too. An average human sleeps for 8 hours per day, so we will sleep for around 1/3 of our lifetime. An average person dreams 4 to 6 times per night. Most heart attacks happen on Mondays, most likely due to the stress brought on by the need to return to work. The unconscious mind of an average human is faster than their conscious mind. 65% of the thoughts of an average human daily are negative thoughts. When we are intoxicated, our brains can't form memories. That is why we do not remember much after a hangover. Humans text faster when it is with people they like. Kissing helps to strengthen the bond between two people because it releases oxytocin, a hormone that strengthens bonds. The average human wants more choices and information than they can actually process. No matter how hard humans try, we just can't resist noticing food, sex, or danger. Memories start forming in the womb. Humans make most of their decisions unconsciously. Our memories are actually reconstructed every time we think of them. When we have easy access to information, it becomes harder to remember. An average human has 3 to 5 best friends and usually hates one person in their social group. 98% of the time, when someone tells you they have to ask you a question, your mind thinks of all the possible bad things that you may have done. People who understand sarcasm so well are often good at reading people's minds. Well, that's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed the content as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Make sure to like the video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quality content and ring the bell to be notified when we drop new videos.